Hello everyone and happy holidays. Welcome back to the channel. It's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for joining me here on the channel today. I thank everybody out there for their support. Thank you so much for stepping up, guys, and helping me to almost meet my goal of 500 subscribers. I truly appreciate each of you. Hopefully you're enjoying everything that we're uploading onto the channel, and if you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see here on the channel as well, and I'll do my best to get it out to you guys. Okay, today I am sharing with you how I prepare my pecan pralines, or some people say pralines. It all depends on what part of the country you're from. Okay, so I'm going to share with you today how I prepare mine, and hopefully you'll be able to glean some ideas or tips if you decide to make them as well. Okay, so let's get started. This particular recipe requires 1.5 cups of sugar, okay, 1 stick of salted butter, 1.5 cups of roasted pecans, and 1.5 cups of milk, okay, and some vanilla. And I did not put an amount of vanilla on there because I want to be able to determine how much I need. Usually I go with 1 tablespoon, okay, but I may want to enhance the vanilla in it a little more, so I may add some more. So stick with me as we go through this step by step. I've already put the milk into the container here, and we are going to go ahead and let that come to a quick boil, and then we're going to add in our sugar and our butter, okay? And I'll show you exactly how we're going to do that. Okay, all right, so I'm going to let the milk come to a boil, and basically it takes 1 of these cans here. This is the type of milk we're using, so I don't use the regular jug milk. I use evaporated milk, okay, or they call canned milk in some parts of the country. So that is what I'm using here. Okay, and you can use the clear vanilla or you can use the brown vanilla. It's up to you. It doesn't matter with this particular candy here. All right. Just basically going to stir to make sure that it does not begin to stick to the bottom of the pan that we're preparing the mixture in. And just continually stir it. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar. I'm going to stir that in. And you just stir that until it dissolves. You see how that's boiling up there, guys? That's exactly what you're looking for, okay? Want that boil right there. You constantly stir it. We're at the point where our mixture here for the pecan candy is ready. As you can see, it has cooked up and it has cooked down and it has cooked back up again, so it is ready. And it takes about 12 minutes, okay, for this to cook properly, so it can get to that thick consistency. Okay, now when it cools, it's gonna solidify even more so. All right, so at this point we are ready to add our pecans. Just add them a little bit at a time there. When you do your pecans, you can break them in half. You don't have to crumble them. Just basically break them in half. And that helps each of the pecans to be coated and gives you that bite size that you're looking for. Again, this is 1.5 cups of the roasted pecans. Alright. Just gonna stir that, stir that. Alright, it smells so good. Alright, so now we are back, guys, and our mixture here of our pecan candy is at the point where we can start adding it to the sheet, okay? Alright. Okay. So we're just going to add like a spoon in each little corner because it has to cool down. Hope you can see that. Step back. There you go. See how I'm adding that? That's what you want to do. Okay. It's up to you how much you want to put on the set pieces. You can make them small, you can make them large. It's totally up to you. This is a very tasty treat that you can have on hand so that when guests come or family come over, you can share with them what you have made. And this does go on parchment paper to make it easy to separate the candy once it cools down. Okay? I tell you, the aroma of this vanilla in here is something else. Add a little bit more to that one. I like them thick. When this cools down, it's going to be delicious. Absolutely delicious. Yes, it is. In there. I shouldn't say icing, but I should say candy. The little drippings of the candy. I'm gonna get all that out of there. Okay, let's see. That one looks like it could use a little more. Okay, just about got it all out of here. And as you can see, that has produced 12 pralines. Okay? That's your 12 pralines right there. We're going to set this aside and let it completely cool down. Okay, now I'll come back and show you exactly what that looks like. This looks absolutely delicious, guys. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Oh, all right, so now we're back with the finished results of our praline candy. And I wanted to show you exactly one of the little pieces. The large pieces are still firming up. So I was able to get one of the little ones and show you guys, okay? And that's pretty much what the little ones look like right there. That looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to bite into it and taste a piece. This looks absolutely delicious. There's nothing like your own homemade praline candy. You know exactly how you like it. You know the texture that you want to make it to. This is absolutely delicious, guys. I'm so glad that I decided to make this and add it to the channel for you guys, okay? So now you have the recipe on the channel for you, and you can make the candy when you desire to. Okay? Remember that the ingredients for the candy will be at the end of the video. Okay, so when you get ready to make it, you can watch the video along with finding the ingredients at the end of the video. Okay, once again, thank you so much for joining me here on the channel. It's Diane's Decorating and More, as we completed another of the all-time favorites of homemade praline candy. Y'all go out and have a great one, and happy holidays. We'll see you soon.